Hello guys, I'm Vivian, your old friend. Welcome to Haidong. Recently, some of our distributors asked if it's possible to exchange the handlebar of the off-road e-bike and commuter e-bike. So today, let's have a try together. This is one of the off-road e-bike called Explorer, and this is a commuter e-bike called Worker. So next, we will exchange their handlebar. Let's start it. Next, we will disassemble the off-road e-bike first. Welcome to our experienced master. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, let's start it. First, we have to disassemble these accessories, like the LED dashboard and the bell, the brake. We have to take them off. Okay, we have to take it off. Next, let's take off the handlebar of the commuter e-bike. This is the handlebar of the commuter e-bike. Next, our master will disassemble it. Just like the off-road e-bike, we have to take off all of the accessories first. Take off the brake and the dashboard, the Toronto. Now we have already took off this one handlebar, and next we will exchange the handlebar. This is the handlebar of the off-road e-bike Explorer. Next, we will change this one, the switch handlebar on the off-road bike. Next, we will install the beach handlebar on the Commuter Ebike. What do you think of this handlebar exchange? Do you like it? What else do you want to say? Welcome to leave us a message and to share us your ideas. And you can also follow us on YouTube, Facebook or LinkedIn, on which you will find many different kinds of interesting and practical videos. Thank you so much for your watching. See you next time.